Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Savi, and if you are new to this channel, I post videos on fashion, makeup and lifestyle twice a week, so stay updated for that. In today's video, I'm gonna be recreating this Alia Bhatt makeup look from the movie Gangubai Kathiawadi. If you are interested in how I create this look, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm starting with this L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. I'm gonna be apply this all over my face. Now I'm gonna apply this Chia Seed Hydro Cream from the Face Shop. Now I'm gonna prime my face this Blur Perfect Makeup Primer from the brand Lakme Absolute, and I'm gonna be apply this on my T-zone. To hide my dark circles and dark spots on my face, I'm gonna be apply this LA Gold Pro Concealer in the shade Orange. I like to use this under my eyes, around my mouth, on my dark spots. Now I'm gonna blend this with my PAC Beauty Blender. For my foundation, I'm gonna be mixing these two foundation, one from the Matte Fit Me in the shade 310 and the Lakme one is in the shade Warm Caramel. For concealer, I'm gonna be using this PAC Spotlight Ready Liquid Concealer Full Coverage Waterproof, and I'm in the shade 10 Mocha. Again, I'm gonna be blend this with the same beauty blender. To cover that concealer, I'm gonna be using this Bharat & Doris loose powder, and I'm gonna be baking under my eyes. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna be taking this eyebrow pencil from Maybelline, and I'm gonna just fill my eyebrows with it. She has a little bit color on her eyelid, so I'm gonna be taking these two shades and I'm gonna be applying this all over my lid. She has a very thick kajal on her waterline, so I'm gonna be doing that with this Blue Heaven kajal. And I'm gonna be brightening the under eye with some powder. I add more kajal in my waterline, and I'm taking this pencil brush and smudge the kajal. For mascara, I'm gonna be using my favorite Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. She has a very natural contour going on, so I'm gonna be using the Sugar contour stick. It gives a very natural look. For blush, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. It gives you a very subtle and natural look. I don't think she has highlighter, so I skipped that. And for lipstick, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. After that, I added Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Touch of Spice, and now I'm making the bindi and also the Nazar Katika. I was very tired at that time, so I skipped the hair. So guys, this is the final look. If you like this look, make sure to hit a like button. And we are very close to 1000 subscribers, so make it guys as soon as possible. And yeah, this is all about today's video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Till then, bye, tada, take care.